Are you standing on your beautiful, homely DISANO design floor from Haro and wondering how and with what you are best to clean it? The answer is simple. I'll show you. First, clean the floor with a soft broom or vacuum cleaner. You then need a bucket, a flat mop and a cleaning agent. We recommend Clean & Green Natural, which is easy to use, economical and environmentally friendly. Pour half a cupful into a bucket with 5 liters of cold water. Cold water, I hear you ask? Yes, as only when mixed with cold water does the cleaning agent work optimally and without streaking. Now immerse the flat mop, wring it out well and wash the floor, leaving it damp. Damp, not wet? Precisely. Avoid leaving standing water. Incidentally, Clean & Green Natural also gives your floor an additional protective film. Depending on how dirty it gets, you should also occasionally thoroughly clean the floor with Clean & Green Active. After cleaning the floor, rinse out the cover well with warm water and leave it to dry. Until next time.